Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about scaffold. What is really a scaffold is? It is a class in Flutter which provides many widgets like floating action button, drawer, app bar and many more. We will talk about some of them today. So let's go. Control I or control space and we can see the widgets inside of a scaffold we can define. The first one is app bar. We can choose an app bar and a background color, a body. So coming down, bottom sheet, drawer, end drawer, and many more. So for the first one, we are going to implement this app bar. App bar takes title, text widget, the title, we can put scaffold and control assets, and now we can see the title bar with a text title we provided. And let's bring the text in the center of the app bar. So what we can do, we can center title is equal to true, and control S, the text comes to the center. And what else we can do, now we can put a body and center widget, control S. For now there is nothing inside the body. Soon we will talk more about the scaffold, but we are going on body, which inside the scaffold. This portion of our app or the screen is a body from here till the end. So whatever we want to do, we can do inside this center widget, inside the body of. If you want to add something in the body, so we come to the center widget and add a text, child text, something like hello. Control S, widget center the text inside the body of our app. So we talk about the text before. So we are going to our scaffold and background color is equal to colors dot any color you want. You can choose from here, amber for example, control S. Now the background of our app is an amber color. You can choose any other, for example light blue. And also we can change the background color of our app bar also. We come inside the app bar and say the background colors dot, for example teal, control S, and I can set the background color for our scaffold to gray, gray to blue gray. Also we can, if you want to remove this shadow between bar and body, we come to the app bar evolution, set to a number 0.0, control S. Now we don't have any shadow, we can change the background of our scaffold to teal, control S, and now we have the same app bar color background and body color are the same, and also the evolution is removed. Again we comment this line, control S, again the shadow appeared. What we will do next, okay, let's change the scaffold to, you can type Flutter title. Let's change the scaffold color to white. Okay, another thing we can apply on scaffold, one thing is called bottom navigation bar. How to add a bottom navigation? So it is simple. Add the bottom navigation and how many items you want to add inside, you can add it. Bottom navigation bar, and what it takes a background color, colors dot tail, and its item, can say item. Inside item we can put as many items we want, like bottom navigation item. So what the item takes, it takes an icon, which is icon dot home, a level title, it take a level, level take a text, which is home, and it take a background color, colors dot till, okay, a comma here, and now one item edit. For the next item we can copy and paste it. Put a comma here and then copy it. We can paste to, oh, sorry, second item, third, and the fourth. So then the first one is home, the second one we can search, and the other one is camera. The icon is also camera, and the last one can be person and profile. And control asset, let's see. Now we have our navigation bar. This is much simple. We have home, we have search and camera and a profile. So for now, number 0 index is selected. We can select any index we want. For now we don't have any index, so we can add the index in. After the background we have a current index, current index is equal to, for example, 2, and control asset, and now the camera is selected. We can change to 3. The profile is selected, and again number 1, the search will be selected. So this is the navigation bar. We can apply it like this. And next let's go to, so now we don't want the navigation, bottom navigation, so let's go back to the simple, and let's add a new widget, drawer navigation bar, or the drawer. What is the drawer? A menu that open from the site. You are familiar with that, but if not, we are going to apply this menu and come inside the scaffold and type drawer, and what it takes a child and a text. We add a text hello and control asset. Now we can click on this menu to open our drawer. This is our drawer, and a hello text is inside, and it takes a very less time that we implement this. And we can also add an end drawer, which is a drawer from the right side. It is also easy to add that. And drawer, what it takes, the same, a child with the text. For now, hi, control asset, and now we have in the right side also a drawer. When we click, there is a hi, and when we click to the app, it goes off. Okay, what is next? Let's remove this end drawer for now and save it, and it has gone. Next we are going to add a floating action button. Going inside the scaffold again and write floating action button. What it has on pressed, and it has a child icon, icons dot add, control asset. Okay, here is our floating action button, and it is easy to apply it from here, and we can add any action tags on press of this floating button, so it depends on us where we can use it. Let's go back to the scaffold. What we covered, I think we covered some of important things which are here, and let's go back to the app bar. What we have inside app bar, we cover some of them also, like we do the elevation and the background color, and we didn't do this one, action. What is action? When we are click on this actions. Actually, when we are going to add something at the end of our app bar, we can add like icons, icons dot search and comma and control asset. Now we have our search icon at the end of our app bar. So what else we can add? We can add another item also, icon dot add, sorry for misspelled, and control asset. Here is our two icons that we add on our actions at the end of our app bar. Control space. There are many more, but we are working on leading one. Leading, what is the leading? Leading also take icon, icons dot node, control S, and now here is our icon change. We cannot add any other to the leading. If you want, we can add an action portion. Okay guys, I hope that you learned something from this video. We covered most of important things which is useful on making our app beautiful and functional. And thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next lecture with a new thing.